Hi everyone, thanks for joining us. So basically what I'm going to give you today is a brief demonstration of our property platform, our demo property platform, where you'll be able to participate in fractional ownership of property real estate on the blockchain. So fractional ownership is basically being able to own a share of something, and that something in this instance would be property or real estate. So let's start by scrolling down. So this is our website. If you scroll down to where it says start demo, click there. It should launch our demo platform. And what we have here and what I'm using is the Chrome browser. We need to make sure we use the Chrome browser to use this platform, because we need the MetaMask plugin, as you can see here. So you can get that, in fact, by just Googling Chrome MetaMask. Click here and you will be able to install it on the right hand side here. I've already got it installed, which is why it says remove from Chrome. So yeah, if you don't have it, just go to that link and press install, and it should install in seconds. So back to the site, wait for that to load up. Okay, so first things first, what we need to do, if you haven't already, so you need to register. Put your details in there, and there's no email verification, so you'll be able to jump straight in. Wait for that to load up again. Right, so I've already got an account, so I'm going to log in. And this is the front page that you'll be presented with when you first log in. Okay, so at the moment I've got no investments because I've got no property. I've actually not participated in fractional ownership of any properties, which is the reason why I've got no investments. So to start off, we're going to need some Ether, and that Ether is on the Ropsten network, which is a test net for Ethereum. So this isn't actually real Ether. This is my current wallet address, which is what I get from logging into MetaMask. So as you can see there, that's my ELAD Network wallet with 1.09 ETH in it. So to get that Ether, you click here and you put your wallet address in there. So you get that from MetaMask. I don't think you can see what I'm doing up here, but I'm just clicking on the Fox, which gives me access to the MetaMask Chrome plugin. And you just click here, which copies your wallet address, drop it in, and I'm going to click on this button. I'm probably going to be grey listed because I've already taken some Ether out today. Yeah, so I can't get any more for now. But if I came back tomorrow, then I'll be able to get some more Ether. So if you just do that, and eventually, it shouldn't take too long, you should have some Ether in your MetaMask wallet. And this is how much I've got today. So as I said, this is test Ether. It isn't real, so you're not being charged. There's no charge for actually using this Ether. It's completely free. Okay, so so this is my current wallet address. This is my balance, and it pulls that from the MetaMask Chrome plugin. So we're going to buy a property now. We click on properties. We'll be able to see what's available, and these are the 3 types of demo properties that we've got available to purchase or actually participate in fractional ownership. These are not real properties. They are not for sale. These are just for demo purposes. So click on see property. As you can see here, the total supply is 2.1 million tokens available to participate in fractional ownership on this property. My current balance is 0 because I've bought none, and the price of 1 token for Notting Hill, which is NHI, is 0.001 ETH. So if I go here, buy NHI tokens, and I say I want 0.001 ETH of NHI tokens and press buy, my MetaMask plugin pops up and asks me to confirm that transaction. Now, as I said, this is completely free. This is on the testnet, Ropsten testnet. You're not being charged. So if I click on confirm here, that transaction has been broadcasted to the blockchain. And if I wait a brief while, sometimes takes a minute or two, what I'll then be able to do is go back to my investments and see the property pop up here. Now, it takes a fair while for that transaction to hit the blockchain and for it to come back to my wallet. But what I'll do in the meantime is I'll actually go and look to purchase another property or participate in fractional ownership on another property. Right, Ken tokens. So the reason why they call Ken tokens is because the property is in Kensington. So that name will change depending on the address of the property. So I'm going to buy some Ken tokens. Now actually what I'm going to do this time is buy 0.5 ETH worth of Ken tokens. Click buy. Again, MetaMask pops up, asks me to confirm the transaction. So there's a 0.5 that I put in previously. Press confirm, and that has been broadcasted as well. So right, that still hasn't gone through yet. Okay, so property tokens. This is basically a view of the amount of tokens that are available for the property that sit under this tab. So as we can see the amount of tokens that have been bought by other users. And over here, what we've got is the token address. Now, what happens is this apartment in Notting Hill relates to this token address. So for those tokens to appear in my MetaMask, I need to copy this address and add it to MetaMask. Add token, add a custom token, put the token address in. Actually need to get rid of the link at the beginning. And there we have it. So it's automatically noticed that that address relates to the NHI token. So I click next, and there's my balance. So I bought one NHI token earlier. That's now hit the blockchain and been added to my wallet. If I go here, let's add the Kensington tokens as well. That's basically just add in the token again, custom token, and it's auto resolves. And there are my Ken tokens. Okay, let's do the same for Notting Hill again. I didn't save it on the last one. Add token, custom token, put the token address in, auto resolves NHI for the Notting Hill property, go to next, and there you see my Notting Hill balance. And make sure you click add tokens and it will be added to your wallet. So there you have it. That's how you buy or participate in fractional ownership of property on the blockchain with ELAD Network. Thanks for watching.